back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Global Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into the holiday niches, how to find the niches that actually sell amazingly well in the upcoming holidays, or maybe in general in holidays. This could be the trending niches and this could be the evergreen niches as well. So I'm going to be diving into my laptop at the back and going to show you exactly how to find the popular niches in the holidays and that you can target to actually get the good sales in the Q4 in the upcoming holidays. So let's dive in. Before we go good part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link are in description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license so you can very well use it. Also we are soon going to start with our exclusive email newsletter that will going to deliver you exclusive print-on-demand tips, how to make money, the tools, and so much more that is exclusively to that email newsletter in your every week in your email inbox. Right now it's on waitlist, so please join it and subscribe to it. It's completely free, 100% free. Join it. I'm going to be sending you email once we are starting with that, and we will going to be delivering you each week amazing content in your email newsletter. So subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. Now let's dive into my laptop and the process of holiday niches begin. We are on the Zazzle, and I'm going to be using a Zazzle to do the product niche research for specifically for the holidays. Now the Zazzle is a big marketplace and it's an on-demand platform. It's a print-on-demand platform, but it's not a print-on-demand platform. I have made a bunch of videos on the Zazzle. I'm going to leave them in the card section above guys. You can very well check it out, in which I touched about various points about the Zazzle, making different kind of products, the cards, and so much more. You can check the complete playlist of the Zazzle. The link is in the card section above. Now let's dive in with today's video. Now the main thing we need to find out is about the holiday stuff. So I'm going to be just popping over here in the search bar of the Zazzle, and I'm going to be typing about the Christmas. Now Christmas is a way broader topic guys. It's a way broader topic, and we don't need to target just the simple Christmas, because then you would be competing. Just probably just scroll down and I'm going to show you how many products are there in the Christmas related niche. Okay, so over 4 million products are there. So this is just the too broad niche. You don't need to just target the keyword as a simple Christmas, because you would be competing with the 4 million products that are already there on the Zazzle, and it would be very less likely for you to get the sales. So this is a very quite broad term. The Christmas we need to sub-niche down, and today we will going to niche down, and we're going to pick up a niche that is not that competitive and we can actually target a one. So when you just type the Christmas, you're going to see the bunch of the different ideas that are selling amazingly well. Now this is the gift guides 2021. You can see that could be the popular for the girls, and these are the gifts for the boys or male, whatever you call it. These are t-shirts, the art print, the ping pong paddle, then also the tucker hat and the tumbler, and hope so and forward. Let me just scroll down. The gift for the kids, gift for the babies, pads, gift for the teachers. So you can see the different kinds of niches. Now this is the niche guys. Gift for babies is a niche. Gift for kids is a niche. Gift for pads, teachers, bridesmaids, grandparents, newlyweds, friends. These are the niches. Christmas is a too broad term, and when you actually focusing on the holiday niches, then one of the thing is commonly pop up is about the Christmas. You can same thing do for the Halloween, for the New Year, for the Thanksgiving, and for the different kinds of holidays. You can also do the same thing. But right now we're doing for the Christmas. Now these are the niches you can make target the one particular type of the profession or one particular type of the age group. For example, this is for the specifically for the babies. This is specifically for the kids, for the pets, or you could easily target for the profession, that is the teachers or the grandparents or the bridesmaid, the newlyweds, or even you can target for the male and the female. So this is the niches that you can hop up. Another thing is the design gift ideas, the mug, the monogram gifts, the unique gifts. Like these are the different kind of gift ideas that you can target, and you can look for what people. 16 unique Christmas gift ideas. The stockings are quite popular in the Christmas. It's the ornaments, the aprons, the binders. I've also made a video talking about different kind of product ideas for the Christmas. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. Now you can see probably these kind of products would be popular among the people during the Christmas. Now we need to sub niche down. So what we will going to do today, we will going to look for some specific particular kind of age group. If for the babies, and see what are the different gifts for the babies, especially for the Christmas. Now we have niche down from the Christmas to the babies. Now let's see if it's still going to be a lot more popular, because gifts for the babies, now you can select for the baby girl or the baby boy. Like this is again sub niche down, so I'm gonna be picking up for the baby girl. So you get the idea how you can sub niche down and pick up a niche, and can also target the holiday. But now you get the niches different over here. The cool, the cute, the funny, the monogram, the photographs and photo based, movie lovers, religion, sports, travel, unique. So you can pick up another niche from here, or you can shop by the theme. So you can choose a theme over here, or you can even choose the different kinds of recipients. Now I've choose the gender girl, it's for the baby girl, so I've sub niche down from the Christmas to the baby girl. Now let me just scroll down again. There is 116,000 search result. It's still quite popular, so we need to sub niche down. Now these are the niches, you could pick up anything from that. Let me just pick up the photo one, because the photo niches or the photo cards or different kinds of photo gifts are quite popular. Again, it's 8,549. So you get the idea how to sub niche down. Now this is just specifically for the Jazzle, the same way you could do for the Redbubble, the TeePublic, the Etsy, whatever platform you're picking up. So we have pick up first the Christmas, and then we have pick up the specific age group. You could do with the profession, you could do with the bridesmaid, the grandparents. We took the baby boy, we took the baby, and then we took up the gender, that's the baby girl, and then we pick up the specific niche, that is the photos. So we have 8,549 search results. Okay guys, now you can see how we have reduced the search results from million search results to just few thousands. Now here also you can pick up based on the different occasions. You can pick up the expressions, the holidays, the occasions, and so on and so forward. You can even add the different kinds of filters. You can pick up, these are the keywords guys, you can see very well. Even the thank you one, the baptism, the modern, the elegant, picture, gold. You can pick up the golden kind of stuffs, or the rose gold, or the white, or the floral. These are also the niches and also the keywords that you could use in your designs. So here we are. Now you can see the photo one. Now this is a ceramic ornament. So I think I'm gonna be focusing over more specific, so that I could get it more lesser. That could be the lesser competition. So probably going with the goals over here. Let's see how many search results are there. 1,362. So you can see we have reduced the thing to gold. Now you are again getting the shop by category. You could pick up whatever product you want to focus on. It is the invitation stationery, baby and kids, home furnishing and pet supplies, the crafts and party supplies. You can pick up whatever you want to, but I think I'm gonna pick up the invitations and stationery, because the paper products sell amazingly well. Although the different kinds of products do sell. Now you can see only 791 search result. Now this is the best thing that you could do. You could make a baby girl photo gift, specifically catering in gold, and that could be the invitation or the stationery. So just scroll down. There are a bunch of the different products over here. You could see the baby photo greenery floral gold, thank you, birth announcement postcard. So it's a product that is popping up is the baby photo greenery floral gold thank you birth announcement postcard. Let me just pick up and see what this postcard is actually look like. Now this is the birthday announcement postcard. Now this is not holiday related niche, it's an evergreen niche, because baby girl could be born any year, like any day or any month of the year she could be born, and this could be the best postcard their parents could be purchasing for their kids related to the birth announcement. So this is an evergreen niche you could target to make the postcard also sell amazingly well. Now if you're going with simple postcard, there would be so much competition in simple postcard, so you can pick up a simple particular niche, that is the birth announcement postcard. So here you can see this is a picture of they can replace the picture and can put the picture of their own baby. They can add the text and can write the name over here and can do the bunch of the stuffs over here. So let me just see some other product. This is also birth announcement. This is also the birth announcement. So these are the some birth announcement postcards are there. Now this one is the thank you card. Now, thank you card is a holiday niche. Of course, it could be an evergreen niche as well. It could be thank you for general stuff as well, but specifically catering to the holiday niche. Now, first I talk about the evergreen niche. That was the birth announcement postcard. I actually pick up one specific product. Now, this is a thank you card, and this is, you can see, guys, this is a photo thank you card. The picture of the baby, they could replace their own baby picture, and this is a simple written thank you. That's all. And at the back, if I see something else is there, let me see what's there. So it's a written that thank you very much for your precious and generous gift with love, and they can replace the name of their own baby or the name of their mother and father, whatever it is, and they can make this thank you baby card. So this is the holiday niche. That's a thank you, because Thanksgiving is around the corner. So this is the related to that. Let me just scroll down and see some other niches. This is also the thank you card related to the babies. Now there's a lot more going over here. You can just play around with the different kinds of products and see. Most of them are the birth announcement postcards because these are the evergreen niches. Now this is the invitation. Let me just take a look at that. This is a baby shower invitation, guys. Now, baby shower invitation is also an evergreen niche product. Invitations are evergreen. Like, baby can be born every day or maybe any month, or could be any day of the year, whatever it is. It could be an evergreen niches, and you can target the invitation. This is not just for the holidays. So, let me just pick up. This is again a thank you card specifically for the holidays. And again, the thank you one. Now, this is a birthday party invitation. This is also an evergreen one. So you get the idea with the baby niches over here with the baby girl you could target, and specifically in the golden color. So let me just go back, and we were going to go back to our search results and then pick up something else specifically to the profession. I'm just gonna cross all those things over here because back again over here as a Christmas. And I also think, guys, when I'm typing Christmas in the search bar, you could see that the Christmas stockings, the template Christmas stockings, the decor, the invitation, the cards, the wrapping papers, postcards. So you can see these are the product, these are the niches that are popular at the time. So I'm going to be probably going into the Christmas decor. Let's see what's popular in the Christmas decor. And in this way also you can find the popular niches in the Christmas. Now you can see over a 1 million search results in the Christmas decor, and you could see the specific ceramic ornaments and over a 1 million. It's quite popular. We can't target that, so we really need to be very specific that. So I'm going to be picking up here the ornaments, the Christmas decor and ornaments. Let's see how many search results we get. Again, it's over 1 million. If you just scroll down, most of them are kind of like a photo ceramic ornaments. People can put their own pictures over here, but it's quite competitive. We can't target the 1 million products. We can't compete with the 1 million products. We really need to pick up something which is not that competitive. Now you could choose the first Christmas. If a baby is born, that could be the first Christmas, or could be COVID, funny, quarantine, Mr. and Mrs. That could be related to the wedding, or the husband and wife, the baby, the social distancing, elegant model. Let me just pick up this Mr. and Mrs. because we have already picked up the baby one. So let me just pick up for the weddings. You could see that these are specifically in two different kinds of stuff over here. In the wedding as well, and the ornaments as well. I think I'll just gonna go with the category as the ornaments. So here you can see this one is pretty amazing. Let me just take you an example of this. This is not a photo ornament. You can see our first Christmas as Mr. and Mrs. Ashley and Daniel, and they can put their own name over here, the year over here, and they can prepare this ornament. So ornament is the amazing gift product that do sell well in the time of the holidays. I've already made a video and talk about why it's that so popular and all. If I just choose a theme, you can see you can pick up the theme over here, and you could, the theme is changing this font color over here. So this is one of the example out of them. Now this one is 5,969 search result. You could even more sub niche down. You can choose the newlywed, just married, or first, whatever. You could just sub niche down more and pick up that specific one. Now this one is the example of the Merry Christmas, Happy Memories card. That's the first Christmas, so that could be related to the holiday season. Now these one is the Mrs. and Mrs. This is also the first Christmas. So if I'm just gonna pick up maybe a newlywed, so we could be more sub niche down. Again, we are having 1,974 search result. So I could be going over to the first.
So again, it's over 1,000. So I think I'll just gonna go with the just married. Let's see. Okay, it's the 549. Now this is the best niche you could go for. You could make the ornaments, the Christmas decor ornaments for the newlywed which are having their first Christmas. So you could make the product for those kind of people, for those kind of couples. You could even make the photo cards like this one. This one is the photo card, or even you could make a simple illustration and simple text-based design. So this is the product that sell amazingly well. That's the ornament, and it's very specific to the newlywed who are having their first Christmas in the 2021, and you could target those couples and can make the product in that. That's only 549 search results, so it's not that competitive as well. You could target them. Most of them are the photo cards, guys, the photo based, and this is again number one. You could see the different kinds of you. This one is quite simple. Let me just see this one. So you can see our first Christmas, Mr. and Mrs. Taylor and Charlie, estimated November 25th, and they can put their year and they can replace their name. So you could see this is a simple ornament, the heart shape. The back would be nothing. It would be back is the okay. The picture is there, so they can replace and put their own picture over here. So this is the kind of the ornaments that you could make. Now this is also another niche. The first we took the baby girl niche. This time we took the couple niche who are married and who are enjoying their first Christmas together. So they could be having such kind of ornaments. Now this one is quite simple. Let me just hover over to this. So you don't need to go into making the photo ornaments or making the photo cards. If you are not okay with that, you could probably make a simple one as well, like this one. I think at the back they again are having the photo. You don't need them if you don't want to. You just keep the back side as a blank and just write the this thing in the front. I first Christmas as Mr. and Mrs. Martin and Louisa and the year. So this is an awesome thing product that you could harness and you could actually target. This is again a simple one, again over here, married and Mary and all those kind of stuff, and you can check out furthermore. This is again the niche, guys, that I picked up. If I go over some other niches, if I let me just pick up the last niche of this video, I'm going to be thinking about going with the Christmas stockings, because Christmas stockings are also popular, and this is the trend product and trend niche idea. Now you can see 116,000 search results over here. It's quite competitive. I won't be going with that. So let me just pick up something that is related to the kids, because this Christmas stocking specifically related to the kids only. Then it's over 5,334 search results. Now they are showing us the category. I'll be going with the Christmas stockings over here. You could pick up any category you wanna. Now you can see 2,367 search results. So let me just pick up some another niche. You could go with the animal, the boy, or the girl. So let me just go pick up the animal this time, because we have already picked up the girl another time. Now it's 332 search results. Now this is the amazing product idea that you could target this time of the year, because Christmas stocking do sell well and it's a trending topic. It's a holiday niche. I have shown you the evergreen niches as well and the holiday niches as well. This is the holiday niche, and the ornament was also the holiday niches, but then before that I shown you the baby girl birth announcement postcard. That was the evergreen niches, and also the birth announcement invitation, baby shower invitation, and also I shown you regarding their first birthday invitation, that also in evergreen niches. But these are the holiday niches. Now you could see this is the paw, and the people can add their name over here. This is again a dog over here, and then can put the name over here. And kind of products are selling amazingly well. Now this is the Christmas stocking specifically related to the kids and the animals. I sub niche down. It's popular, guys. Specifically in these holidays, of course, you need a kind of like a small illustration. Then you could write a Merry Christmas or the name, or whatever you could do, and you can make these kind of stockings. There's a bunch of different kinds of stocking ideas over here. You can see them and you can pick up. So these are the three niches that we shown in this video. But that first one I took up was the baby girl. Then I took up the newlywed couple that was celebrating their first Christmas, and this time I chose the Christmas stocking that's completely focusing on the kids and the animal niches. Guys, hopefully you find it useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much.
That's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.